Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make adjustments on your picture, such as adjusting brightness, contrast on the Motionleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then slide to the right side down below and click on the adjust icon. Here you can adjust for aspects or features such as the brightness, so tap on it and adjust it by the help of the slide above it. You can do the contrast. The saturation can be set to such as the temperature. If you want to check out how it looks like, tap on the play button. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.